Good morning, Solid Steppers. Miss Ward is headed out for her first call this morning. It's going to be a Samsung. According to the customer, the refrigerator is dead. Let's hope it's a minor repair or maybe a control panel or something simple. We'll see. The challenge is here. Remember, get up and get it done, people. It's out here. It is out here. First call this morning is 7 a.m. After this, I have a dishwasher in Hollandale at 9 a.m. Before that, I got to stop by Encompass and grab some parts. Then after that, I got a double oven in Miami. After that, got an ice maker in Palm City. I'm two different ends of the world, I'm telling you. Then after that, I got a washer in Palm Beach Gardens and a washer in North Palm Beach. So the day is full. I'm blessed and I appreciate it. And I want everybody to know it's out here. You got to go out here and get it. That's all you got to do. Stay focused. You know, and when it comes, don't worry about how you're going to do it. Just figure it out. I'm telling you, figure it out. You know, I had to make a decision to open up a slot at 6 to 8 a.m. for my emergency customers with refrigerators and things like that that need to get back up as quickly as possible. That separates me from the competition. That was a choice. You know, got my workout in, got my prep in. Now I'm out here trying to get it. Anything else I need to do, I can do it from my virtual office, which is my truck. So, in business, you got to be smart, people. Everybody wonder how they going to do something. Don't wonder. You're in America. First world problems. You can figure it out. There's an app for it. There's something mobile and portable for it. Just figure it out. And put your resources toward that. And only hang with people who can help you get there. It's not that damn hard. Those of us that want to succeed and be successful, we just do it. Failure is not an option. So, team, solid steps. What are your goals today? Check. What have you put in place for your future? Check. What have you put in place to become a cash flowing asset so you don't have to get out here and grind and it just delivers paper to your door? Mailbox paper. Check. Remember, we don't do this just to do this. We do this to accumulate wealth, and then we can pass it to generations behind us. Of course, there's always a cost, but guess what? Someone paid the cost for me to even be able to do this, and I appreciate it. Shout out to my ancestors and those that came before me. So with that said, this is going to be a quickie, because I'm all about mindset. Get my head in the game for this customer, and make her day. Be blessed, y'all, all day. By the way, I only have 5-star reviews on all my platforms. And you know why? Because I put my heart and soul in it and I get it done. And if I see drama coming, I don't even take the call. It's that simple. People tell you who they are. When they show you, believe them. Be blessed, y'all, and go get it, Solid Steppers.